downtown Marshall, North Carolina. Right now, it's the building in Marshall Dale. The flooded waters are at 23 feet. And the destruction is unbelievable. It's all gone. All those buildings that used to be there, the depot, Ponder's Auto, Lois's building, Jeff Riddle's warehouse. The level of destruction is unreal. It's the post office, or what's left of it. This is the back side of Town Hall. Total loss. These buildings are all gone. You can see here the railroad track is completely destroyed. Tossed around like a rag doll. These were all buildings through here. They're gone. Just washed away. The old Teague Mill's still standing, but the depot's gone. The depot survived the 1916 flood, and it didn't stand a chance on this one.